Minimizing traffic at congested road intersection. In urban roads, the traffic condition pose serious problem. The high increase in number of vehicles on road and increasing urbanization leads to the problem of congestion, also leads to the complication and hazard on the urban roads. This project first study on the factors causing congestion on the city road and recommend measures and provide some suitable design and road user regulations. Next topic, minimizing the traffic by suggesting ring roads. The high traffic volume is the main source of the congestion in the cities, which is a big problem on transportation system. This may lead various type of pollution such as noise and air pollution, etc., which may affect the quality of life. Also, here will be big number of vehicle conflicts, which will affect the performance of the transportation system. To reduce the traffic volume, the ring road construction is suggested. Next topic, intelligent parking system. Urbanization, industries, and increase in the population, slow-paced city development, and mismanagement of the parking leads to the parking-related problems. And there arises a secure, intelligent, efficient facility guidance towards the parking facility with proper management. And here it comes the intelligent parking service, which is a part of intelligent transportation system. Here, in this project, we review different intelligent parking services for parking guidance and their management. And the discussed system will be able to reduce the problem of parking and will have an efficient parking. We also do economic analysis, which will help in analyzing the method feasibility. Next topic is analysis of excavated soil in PLASIS 2D. The load at which about the project, the load at which the shear failure of the soil occur is called the ultimate bearing capacity of the foundation. And the bearing capacity of the foundation is a primarily concern in the field of foundation engineering. In this study, we will develop model using PLASIS. Excavation involves the removal of layers of soil, the top, beneath the top. Finite element analysis will done using Moore column failure criteria and represent in two-dimensional soil model. Foundation is modeled as a square footing and load increment is applied till the soil model fails. And ultimate bearing capacity of soil is identified. The minimum pressure which shear failure is identified. Stress distribution and displacement are also identified. Efficient stress is considered as bearing capacity in classes. Next topic is seismic analysis of confined masonry building and RCC building. Several damages are reported due to unreinforced structure, which leads to the need of development in other option for the regular RCC frame structure, such as confined masonry structure. Here in this project, we will discuss about the confined masonry building and compare equivalent RCC frame to confined building. And this building are compared based on the base shear, shore, story drift, lateral displacement, etc. Here analysis is done using analysis software. Here software like ETABS, etc. are used.